Good evening, everyone. My name is Madhuri, and I am representing Alphonsem Life Science. As is a biotech-based company, we are based out of Belgaum, Karnataka. Before I proceed, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the team of Asianet Suvarna News, team of Wales, and team of Connect Karnataka for giving us an opportunity to participate in this mega expo. It has been really wonderful being here. We've got really good response, and a special thanks to Bharat for coordinating with us and for ensuring a smooth process of registration. So before we begin, can we please have the AV? Hello. Yeah. Okay, I'll just begin with our presentation. So before I begin, I would like to request my team members to please come on the stage. Please come. So my name is Madhuri. I'm representing Alphonsem Life Science, and our brand is Naivedyam brand.
Vaishnavi here from Alphonsem Life Science.
Okay, so I'll begin with the presentation. So we have presenting Naivedyam brand over here. So I'll just give you a two-line description about our company. Our company name is Alphonsem Life Science. We are a biotech-based company. We are having our head office located in Belgaum, Karnataka. We are mainly into the manufacturing and production of industrial enzymes, which we are largely supplying to all the sugar and distillery factories. But we also have our presence into 9 different business verticals. So we have sugar distillery, food and beverages, agriculture department, FMCG department, animal health and nutrition, bakery, textiles, microbial solutions, and so on. So here at Connect Karnataka Expo, we have come to promote our brand Naivedyam, and we are looking out for dealers and distributors and for people who are interested taking franchisee of our products. So our brand is Naivedyam. So Naivedyam is from the food segment. So under this food segment, we are manufacturing chemical-free jaggery products. So we have wide range of jaggery variants. So we have jaggery cube, then there is jaggery powder, then there is liquid jaggery, and then there is jaggery candy. So why Naivedyam brand? Like a lot of Karnataka people will understand what is the exactly meaning of Naivedyam. Naivedyam is something that we worship to God as a prasad. So same way we are reflecting our value towards our customers, as in we are manufacturing our jaggery products with lot of care and concern, and we are coming up with these products because our tagline being purity and wellness. So this is the history behind why we have chosen our brand name as Naivedyam as a part of virtual worship towards God as prasad. So why Naivedyam brand? Why our brand is unique? There will be a lot of products in the market who are manufacturing jaggery, but why Naivedyam brand? The unique points are, firstly, we are using matured sugarcane variety, that is 86032, which is known for its quality and texture. And this is the most ideal sugarcane that we use for jaggery manufacturing. Secondly, we naturally resource lime, which is used for manufacturing process in order to maintain the pH value. Then we use lady's finger extract to remove the impurities that are found during the process. And as per PCB norms and legal metrology, the pouch that we are using is above 52 microns, which can be recycled. So even our packing process is taken with utmost care. We are following in lines with the legal department. And depending upon the pre-booked orders we receive, based on the climatic conditions of the client location, the particle size of the jaggery is being formulated. Now say for suppose I am selling my jaggery product in Karnataka and I am also selling in Rajasthan. There is a difference in the weather conditions. So in some areas, the jaggery, there is a tendency that jaggery can melt and fungus can be developed. So that is why when we receive the orders from the customers, we do customization in our manufacturing process, to which area we are sending our customer is also been one of the parameters while manufacturing our jaggery. According to legal metrology department, the net weight is 950 grams. So plus or minus 10% will be there in the jaggery packaging process. We have different SKUs which I'll be showing you in detail. So firstly we have Naivedyam Jaggery Cube, which we also call as bucket jaggery. So the standard packing sizes of 950 grams, and in one carton we have 18 cubes, and cubes is packed in plastic pouches which is above 50 microns food grade, and it is also available in half kg packing size as well. Naivedyam Jaggery powder, there are 3 different types of variants under Naivedyam Jaggery powder. So we have wet powder, we have flavored jaggery powder. For flavored, we are using extraction of black pepper and ginger, and then there is dry powder as well. So this comes under the container, which is 500 grams packing size, and each carton has 24 pieces. And we also come up with stand-up pouch for the jaggery powder. So per carton has 30 pieces. Naivedyam liquid jaggery, this is also known as called as Kakvi or Joni Bella. And this comes under the 1 kg packing size, that is 950 grams. Each carton has 24 pieces. Naivedyam Jaggery candy, this comes in the size of 10 grams, and it is again available in plastic jar. The weight is 500 grams. Each carton has 24 pieces. So these are the other products which we are manufacturing under Naivedyam brands. So we have red chili powder, there is garam masala, dhania powder, jeera powder. Then there is also tea powder, there is organic besan, soya chunks, cold pressed soya bean oil. So under tea powder, we have come up newly with instant tea, jaggery tea powder, which means it's a combination of jaggery powder and tea powder, and it comes in different flavors. So we have ginger, we have lemon, we have elaichi, that is cardamom, and there is hot coffee, there is plain jaggery tea powder and masala jaggery tea powder. You have to use this powder in the milk, boil it, and then instantly filter it so your tea is ready.
So this is one such concept we have come up with. So Naivedyam's distribution network. So we are following general trade, modern trade and e-commerce. General trade, our presence is there in 2,000 plus retail outlets across the country through our dealer and distribution network. Modern trade, we are having 150 top modern trade outlets across major cities in India. And in e-commerce, we are having our presence on Amazon and Flipkart. You can place your orders with us. We are also having Horeca network and exports. Under Horeca, we are having well-renowned brands like Kanti Sweets, Mishra Peda, and Big Mishra is currently into pipeline. And we are exporting to countries like Qatar, UAE, Oman, Russia, etc. So these are the certification and licenses for the business that we are into. So we are having a PEDA license. The speciality of our Jaggery products is all these products are being tested by CFTRI. This is an institute which is located at Mysore. Then we are also having FSSI food license, which means we are following FSSI guidelines for manufacturing as well as for packing. Then our manufacturing and production unit is an ISO certified facility wherein we are following GMP practices of production and manufacturing. Then we have NABL certificate. We have our own R&D center, which is an NABL accredited laboratory. So we also do testing and giving analytical services in various fields. So we have an in-house laboratory. Whenever we are the manufacturing, we get our Jaggery products from the manufacturing unit. The first step is testing it in our NABL accredited laboratory and then taking it for packing. So why choose Alphonsam Life Science? First thing is we follow a cycle, so which I'll be explaining you stepwise. The first step is identification of the right area, farmer, season and variety. Like I told you, our presence is into agriculture department as well. So we are supplying organic fertilizers, organic manure to farmers, wherein through our products, the sugarcane quality that they grow is taken for processing. So we do that. The second is right cultivation practices. Since we have our soil testing laboratory, we test the soil of these farmers. We also suggest them what kind of products are to be used, it's basically organic products, to increase the sugarcane quality and the sugarcane yield. Then right harvesting and pre-harvesting practices. Then we do certification process for the different SKUs that we are into. Taste and wholesome food, which means after this step the Jaggery is being produced. Then selection and training of the committed farmers. So we also organize farmers training programs wherein we educate and we bring them awareness about organic farming concepts. Then technical support to the farmers to get good quality yield. So we give them a crop schedule that they are supposed to follow, and each month what products are to be used and how much yield they'll be getting. So this end-to-end technical consultancy services we are also giving. And then 5-level check to ensure organic integrity to farmers' procurement. So there's a 5-level check. Quality is one of the such parameters in Alphonsam Life Science, which has been assessed at every process step of application. And we do not compromise on quality. This is why we are having 5-level checking before processing it and supplying it to the market. Then minimal and safe food processing practices. So packaging process is also handled with utmost care, and then it is being sold to the customers. So we are based out of Belgaum. So these are our contact details. Our website is www.alphonsam.com, and you can contact us. We are there at stall number 26 in hall number 2. So if anybody is interested to take dealership or distributorship or would like to use our products and then give your feedback, so please do visit our stall at stall number 26. Thank you so much and have a nice day.